Hey guys, it's me Jake, and today we're playing some World of Warships. So, you probably know this game, probably know what's the point of this game. It's just like, you probably know this game. I mean, know what's the point of this game, like, actually. Just fight, that's it. Earn coins or earn stars. Stars are for the research of the ships, and coins is for the buying the ship. So first you gotta research the ship with the stars that you earn each round, and the coins is to buy them. But you cannot just buy random. You cannot just buy random ships. You gotta go like order by order. So yeah, that's the point of the game. There's different countries, like there's American ships, there's Japanese ships, there's Russian ships. I think there's like around 10 countries. I didn't really look at the other ones. So yeah, so you gotta press shift to like zoom in. Yeah, but if you look at the map, just gotta go over here somewhere, and we will start seeing them somewhere over here, the enemies. And yeah, right now I have the torpedo battleship, and it can just send torpedoes at the enemies. But you gotta calculate things. Oh wait, what? There's 4. I never saw that actually. I just saw it for the first time. The forest fires right there. I usually start seeing them around here, but I don't know what they are. Anyway.
Enemy force
there.
detected.
I see one. Right there. I think there has to be more than that. Yeah, that's what I thought. We gotta calculate the shots as well. See, they're going. Hold on, I
need support.
There, I hit
Destroyer
it.
sighted.
I'll send some torpedoes at it.
Torpedoes to starboard.
I gotta calculate this. Let's go from here. They're not gonna hit it, bro. Are you kidding? Okay, he's probably he's a torpedo. I gotta stay away from him. Oh. There's three ships. Yeah, see? So we gotta stay away from them.
Torpedoes to start.
We cannot stay that close to them. Bro, why am I... Oh, I gotta read it. There we go.
Problem solved, sir.
And we can also hit the enemy ships, and that's another way of killing them, but we get hurt too. Dude, these actually, I think, never mind. Anyways. See, I got him. Oh, I got him again. It's time to send some torpedoes at him. Let's hope it's gonna hit him. I think it will. I mean, depends if he's gonna stop or not.
Torpedoes dead ahead. Critical engine damage.
Yo, I got it. Nice.
Enemy cruiser foundered.
Problem solved, sir.
Okay, I gotta stay away. No. Can't we? Hello. So if you look at the top corner, you can see the badges. I mean, not really badges. So the red thing is the destroying ones. The cyan thing is the the hit torpedoes, like how many torpedoes I have hit, and the yellow, I think it's like cut their energy, and the blue, I mean, I don't know, light gray or something, is like how many times I hit them with ammo. I don't know what the silver is, and that number 10,676, how much damage I dealt. So if we shoot at him right now. Wait, what? Oh, see, yeah, he went up.
Our victory is in sight.
They're all 4 bullets. Hit him. So I'll try to send the torpedoes at him again. Wait, let's wait for these torpedoes to hit him. Because it might kill him right away. Yep, see? Okay, now we get that one. Get a bit closer. So my strategy is not, so I just gotta face them with my nose, because if I go like this, it's gonna be easy for them to hit me, so I gotta like this. Okay, but I need to turn just to hit them with torpedoes. No, he's going too slow. Actually, let's go. I gotta destroy this first one. They're gonna steal my kill. What? He killed me!
Enemy aircraft carrier sighted.
Well, at least get the kill, because I dealt the most damage. Let's see. I know if I do. If I won't, I'll actually give it back. But I'll just wait for this round to finish because I want to get the.
Our victory is in sight.
I didn't, bro. I dealt the most damage to him. Jeez. I dealt 18,000 damage to him. Actually, no, I don't know. Okay, so this is the last ship. We just wait for our people to finish him. Well, there is. Is he gonna shoot at him? Okay, so. That ship is shooting at him. This ship is shooting at him. I don't know what that ship is because that ship can just shoot him. He's not that far away. Anyway, wait, what? Okay, here's this one. Okay, let's go back here. So this ship sends the planes. Let's wait. What's his name again? It's Park Chat Mini. I think that's his username or something. He's gonna take them a while to kill him. This ship is thick, and if you just shoot bullets at it, it's barely gonna do anything. So we just wait and wait.
Nice work.
Okay, they hit a torpedo at him. This game is pretty fun. So if you want to download it, I'll leave the link in the description. That it's the graphics are real, and basically this game is pretty real. Oh, destroyed him. Cause you gotta calculate the most the torpedoes and stuff, and the speed of the ships is, I don't know, probably. Okay, so I got 486,000 silver coins, 344 stars. I still don't know what this is, but anyways, let's battle again. Just a second, I'm just texting someone. My bad. Oh my god. Okay, anyways. Oh, press to start battle. It doesn't start the whole battle. Okay, so see? Okay, so if you look at the bottom left, you can see the ship and it's like stuff on it, and if you look a bit right, you can see its speed. So we set the speed to full. We just gotta wait for the rounds to start. Okay, so it started, so it's at stop right now. It goes up slowly until it gets full. So the full speed of this ship is 47 knots, which is pretty fast. So yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go that way. I'm gonna go that way. I'm gonna go. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go around this mountain, kill some ships, then go here, kill some more ships, and wait. Do they have the plane ship? I think it's this. Maybe it's not. Maybe it is. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's actually this. Anyways, wait. So if you wanna know if they have a plane ship, is you gotta look around your teammates, and if your teammates have planes, then they definitely have planes, because it's usually the ships in the rounds are the same. Like if our team got 4 torpedo ships, they got 4 torpedo ships. See, the triangle is represents torpedo ships, and the other ones represent other ships. So I'm talking about like the skinny triangle, the sharp one. Okay, so there we see one ship over there, and there's gonna be another one over there.
Enemy battleship sighted.
Okay, so am I gonna hit him? I don't know. Okay, I should have run like over here or something, but let's see. Yes, I would have hit him. Let's see.
Enemy cruiser detected.
Oh. Anyways, there's another ship
Enemy
right
destroyer
there.
sighted.
Am I gonna hit him? I think I will. Let's hope I will. Okay, so I go. No, I was so close. If he was going a bit
Torpedoes,
faster.
direct front.
Oh god, oh god, oh god. Okay. There's torpedoes right there.
Torpedoes, direct front.
So, yeah. Anyways. Let's get down. Are we gonna hit him or not? Oh, nice. We got him. Okay, let's get. Okay, they destroyed one ship. No, let's get this one. Okay, this one is probably gonna
We've
die.
spotted an enemy submarine.
I mean, yeah, he
Our
will.
team is taking the lead.
Wait, what? Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. I almost hit the torpedoes. Their calculations were good, but they went so far ahead. Oh, I gotta get him, And... What? No, I didn't get the kill. I didn't get the
Cruiser
kill.
detected.
So when they take my kill, it counts for them, and when I take their kills, it doesn't count. Fair enough. Okay. Anyways. Okay. So what I care about the badges that I really want is like destroying the ships, setting ships on fire, and flooding the ships. And damage is the most important things we need for the coins and the stars. So yeah. So what I mostly want is the stars because it's a bit hard. It's harder to get them than the coins. So yeah. Remember my sister got over 4,000 stars in one match because she killed a lot of ships and got 15,000 damage. My record is 486 damage, but I didn't get that much stars. I don't know why. I guess she got lucky there. I don't know. Okay, so that's the last ship, and I didn't do that much damage. I'm barely gonna get any stars this match, but at least something. Nothing. Okay, I hit him. Nice. Shoot again. Nice. Okay, we're doing good so far. Okay, he's going this way, I think. Okay, he's... Which way is he gonna go? Okay, he's going this way. I'm gonna follow him. I'm gonna try to send torpedoes at him. Okay, I hope they're gonna get him before he gets killed. I'm still gonna shoot at him because, okay, yeah, the torpedoes aren't gonna get there before he's killed. So I guess I'm just gonna shoot at him. Plus, they're not gonna hit him. Okay, I'm gonna get the kill. I actually gonna get the kill. I haven't closed this match. Oh, I didn't get the kill. Are you kidding me? Oh my god.
Critical
Plus the
engine
damage is really low. See, these are the coin stars and stuff. Okay, back to coin. Okay, so if you look here, we got no containers sadly. If we go here, we can research ships and unlock them. Okay, so if we look here, we got Japan, USSR is like Russia, Germany, UK, France, Italy, Pan-Asia, Europe, the Netherlands, Commonwealth, and Pan America. So I cannot research this ship because it's 35,500 stars and I got only 24,904. So yeah, I need 10,708 more, and the cost of this ship is 3 million. I got 9 million. So if you look here, this section is only torpedo ships, and it goes all the way down here. So basically, this is the best ship, and this ship is also really good. So let's look at it. Review ship. So see, he got six weapons here. You can count on 6, basically 2. You decide, and 1 here. He got 1 plane, and he got I mean, every ship has these stuff to attack the planes. So yeah, and the ship is also really thick, which makes him really strong. And if you look, survivability 68, which is really good. And artillery is 88. This is really high. And maneuverability is like speed, and the way he turns is 28. It's okay. But anyways, so I only got American ships unlocked. I don't have USSR or Japan or any. Wait, do I? Oh wait, I can get this ship for free, but I don't really want it right now. And I think I got this Japanese ship also. But if you look at Germany ships are okay. They're good, but wait, they got more torpedo ships. So they got tier 9, tier 10, and tier 10. And USA got, let's see. They also got, wait, where is it? It's, okay, this. Wait, so you see that, okay, it's a bit laggy, I don't know why. They go up to 10 soon, so X means 10 in Old Greek. I'm pretty sure. That's what I was told. Okay, so Nicholas. The ship's name is Nicholas. They got two weapons there. He got 6 torpedoes here, 6 torpedoes there, and 1 and 2 more here. So altogether it has somehow it has 21 torpedoes, but I'm not complaining. I like it. So let's continue playing. Okay. I gotta text someone something. Okay. Ba 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 ba. Okay. Thinking right now. Never mind. Okay. Oh, I forgot to start battle. My bad. Okay, so we're at the full thingy. Now we just gotta speed up.
Action stations. Let's give them a hard time.
Okay, so I'm just gonna go straight like this. We're probably gonna have some enemies right here. Wait just a second, my friend is texting. Okay, so we just gotta go forward and assist. Anyone following me? That guy is AFK. Is he? Yeah, he's AFK. That guy is not following me. Okay, I'm lonely. Second, someone sent me a video. Yes.
Enemy force detected.
Okay, enemy force detected. Okay, it's where is it? Where's the enemy? I don't see the enemy stat then. I don't even know what that is. Oh god, oh god. Okay, so I gotta kill these torpedoes, then I can just shoot at them. Oh wait, I got some. He's helping me. He's back. Okay, oh, I gotta get out of it. He's gonna send torpedoes at me, I bet. But I'm gonna send some at him. And I got it. Oh yeah, he got me. I gotta
Enemy destroyer foundered.
Oh, I'm so low. I gotta get out of here.
Problem solved, sir.
I gotta turn around. Oh god, no. That dude that is probably coming is gonna get if he catches up. Okay, I got 1 kill and ooh, 11,000 damage. Like,
Our team is taking the lead.
Probably gonna die this round. Boom, 2 shots. gonna try to send those at him. Let's hope it's gonna do something. Let's hope it's gonna hit him. I think he's turning around a bit. Oh, I hit him. Oh, I think some are gonna hit him. Oh, he's on fire. And they're gonna miss. These might hit him. This one. Oh. One hit him.
Critical engine damage.
One torpedo hit him.
Problem
Let's try to
solved,
finish
sir.
him. This one is just gonna kill me. Right now. Oh, I'm dead. Yeah. That's what I thought. Anyways, let's just watch this ship just get killed. Okay, it's done for. Now, this one. We're doing really good right now. I got 1 kill. I got 11 bullets hit, 2 torpedoes, and some bad. 60 damage, 60,000 damage is okay. And yeah, we're okay this round, I guess. I don't know. This is probably gonna be my last round. We did 3 rounds, but that's okay. I will probably make another video tomorrow or maybe today. But I'm probably gonna. I don't know. Okay, so we got this one.
Our team is
These
taking the lead.
torpedoes are gonna kill him. Actually, maybe not. Actually, yes. Actually, yes. This dude helped, and this dude did almost nothing. Wait. Okay, yeah, this dude helped me, and this dude did almost nothing. Anyways, let's look at this last ship alive right there. This dude is shooting at him. This dude is shooting at him, and that dude is shooting at him. This dude is slow, and he's gonna die. 3, 2, 1, and we won. Let's go. That was a fast match, bro. Anyways, we got a good amount of wins. We just earned that score, and yep, I think that's it for today. It was pretty fun, in my opinion. So probably gonna make another video about this game, and see you next time.